Hi there, today I have a process video for you doing digital pocket scrapping, and I am using some kits here from Pixel Scrapper. These are some lovely camping papers and cards from Brooke that I'm going to stick in here. We live on the University of California, Santa Cruz campus, so we are surrounded by redwoods and forest and lots of nature. So while we don't go camping in a tent, we do often feel like we are camping in our house. So these papers are quite perfect for just our regular photos from around the house. Here I'm switching over to the Oregonian bundle, which complements Brooke's kits quite well. It's very outdoorsy, lots of greens, lots of browns. I actually used this bundle a surprising amount. I guess it's not surprising. I did make it, and it does suit a lot of my photos, I guess. So it is one that I come back to frequently. Should have used some of those deer papers or cards. I guess I have one down there in the corner. We do have lots of deer who hang around and act like they own the campus. It's better now that school is in session, but in the summertime when the students are gone, the deer really take over the place. So I'm always pleased when I remember to include there. I have a screenshot from my phone. It looks like of an audiobook I was listening to at the time. So those are always nice things to include that I often forget to include. So it's fun when they do pop up. Now it looks like I'm just looking for black and white paper to fill in the remaining holes. Okay, now I'm going to browse through the elements in the Oregonian bundle. Just open up here a few of my favorites. Then I downloaded them, and now I will drag them here onto the layout. I feel like when I am designing, I don't usually think to include frames in my element kits. They're often something I forget, and then I also have this feeling like I don't use them frequently, but I think I actually do use them frequently Maybe not necessarily as a frame on top of a photo, but I do often like to put them behind my photos, or in this case here I did actually use it on top of the photo. I've just been considering lately what elements I will always use as I'm thinking about designing kits in the future. And so I do think the frames are an important one for me, something that I do actually end up using frequently, that I should try to not forget to include. If you have a favorite element that you always include on a layout or something that catches your eye when you're browsing around for something to use, please let me know in the comments. I'm always curious what people's go-to things are. Now we're just going in for a closer look, putting some final touches. If you like this video and like watching my digital process videos, please let me know below by leaving a comment or liking this video. And if you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.